This is Zeke. This is the owner of the shop. That's what he thinks. This is my buddy. He's my best friend. I'm Aaron Cunningham. I'm the owner of 3 Barn Doors here in Cleveland, Ohio. Used to be a professional athlete, played for the tribe, and played professional baseball for 10 years, and now I'm a woodworker, metal worker, and dog lover. At 3 Barn Doors, we specialize in custom furniture and design. The main thing is just selling integrity, and just real things that are going to be around for a long time. The materials are just, we go from like all hardwoods out here in Ohio. We got oak, maple, black walnut, cherry, ash, and then we'll use like poplars and pine sometimes. We really don't do too much reclaimed goods. We're just good at making stuff look older, and we like building with integrity. We want to make sure it lasts a long time. We really don't specialize in one piece of furniture at all. The name 3 Barn Doors is very misleading. We don't just sell barn doors. We actually do a lot of custom furniture and design. I think we mainly specialize in making unique dining room tables for homes. If you can think of something creative, we can really come up with anything. We can make anything out of steel and wood. So it's just pretty much anything that can make your house funky, unique, and one of a kind.